Vice President. This is a joint statement with EFORD and Geneva International Center for Justice. Distinguished members of the Human Rights Council, the Durban Declaration and Program of Action sets the principles of equality and non-discrimination as core human rights, transforming victims of discrimination into right holders and states into duty barriers. In order for people to express their own identity and also exercise their rights, they should be free from all forms of discrimination, which entails respect for their human rights. We strongly underline the importance of the full and effective implementation of the paragraphs of the Durban Declaration and Program of Action concerning the role of education in preventing and eliminating racial discrimination, xenophobia, and related intolerance. Education plays an essential role in the full development of human personality and the strengthening of respect for human rights and fundamental freedoms. It promotes understanding, tolerance, and friendship among all nations, racial and religious groups. The prime responsibility to combat discrimination and racism belongs to states, and it calls for the active involvement of international and non-governmental organizations, media, and civil society. Education is a key to changing behavior and to promoting tolerance for diversity in societies. Such education is a determining factor in the promotion and protection of values of justice and equity, which are essential to prevent and combat the spread of intolerance. The Human Rights Council and the Special Rapporteur must continue to address in their reports the role of education to prevent from all forms of intolerance. We also encourage the further cooperation between the United Nations and UNESCO and other relevant international organizations to initiate and develop cultural and educational programs aimed at countering all forms of discrimination in order to ensure respect for the dignity of all human beings and to enhance mutual understanding among all cultures and civilizations. Thank you for your attention.